Hi, I'm Jenny Lesko-Hare, editor of Rental Magazine, here with Barry Greenway from Skyjack. And we're going to talk about the new TH Series telehandlers that are being introduced at World of Concrete here in Las Vegas. Barry, what is the inspiration behind the introduction of the TH Series?
The main thing, Skyjack's had a mission for quite some time to be full-line supplier of rental equipment to all the companies that we do business with. So that's why we've seen a lot of new boom lift releases from Skyjack over the years. Why we're trying to be more than just the scissor supplier to all the companies that we do business with. To that end, we started out in the telehandler business in 2007 with acquired product lines both from Carelift and the Ingersoll Rand product, which was the VR series of telehandlers, which became Skyjack's VR telehandler range. There would have needed to be a significant engineering investment made in the VRs anyway to get Tier 4 final engines fitted to them. And with that investment, it seemed to make a lot more sense to go clean sheet design, 100% Skyjack from the wheels up into the TH machines we have in front of us today, and that was a process that started about 2 years ago.
Barry, can you tell me about the challenges involved with integrating to Tier 4 final engines?
Yeah, so the big problem with going from Tier 4 interim to Tier 4 final in the typical telehandler power band, which is from 75 to 175 horsepower, is that the NOx emissions requirements demand SCR DEF systems, so that's your diesel exhaust fluid. It's a lot more after treatment, a lot more space claim, a lot more complexity. By starting with the clean sheet, what we were able to do was engineer the entire range to only require 74 horsepower going forward, which brings us underneath that cutoff point where we can dispense with all that DEF system. So the whole TH range has no active after treatment, there's no regen cycles, there's no diesel exhaust fluid, none of that on our standard engines by operating with 74 horsepower.
What other features on these machines are particularly geared toward the rental customer?
Yeah, gearing towards the rental customer was a big part of what started us down the road of developing these TH machines. So first thing is serviceability. So you'll see on the boom on this machine we've got the hydraulic extension cylinder outside the boom where it was inside on the old VR line. So replacing a chain, replacing a hose, shiv, etc. can all be done without any disassembly of the boom. We have a lot better service access with our side mount engine design versus our old inline mount VR design. So serviceability to the engine component is far superior than what we had before. We've put all our hydraulic valves, etc., onto one single large hydraulic manifold underneath the steel cover at the rear of the machine for ease of direction of service techs in the field to get to the trouble areas. The other thing too is that we went with Dana drivetrain, so Dana axles and transmissions. Due to the positive relationship we've had with them, the increased uptime they've had with our customers and the better service response they've had with us. That's carried over from our scissors and boom line. We plan to be launching a 5K compact machine in the coming years. That we'll have more details on that next year. We plan to launch at the end of this year a 1256 based heavily on our current 1056 TH as well.